Hello. Another video to expose myself, another video to expose my past, and another video to expose even my present. I'm exposing my present as well because it seems my past is still coming up. My past is still haunting me. Yeah. So, okay. Looking at exposure about sex. Yeah. Because sex is I don't know whether a weapon. I don't know whether to do what. But sex actually the devil copies from God, but he twists things. And then when you twist things, you won't say that he has twisted it. So I would like to say, since when God created Adam and Eve, when they had sex, just that I hear about when they had sex, but the Bible says they knew, and David knew Eve. Yeah. Wamazu Eva. Yeah. So I'm thinking good. The devil is copying God because he knows what his sex was yeah, sure. Angisakhumbuli whether did God say it before or after the fall of man, or after Adam and Eve had sinned. Nah, but then God said replenish, multiply, subdue, kanjalo. So for human beings to multiply, the understanding yami, for human beings to multiply is only through sex. Ile ndlela yami engi-understanda ngayo. It's noma ngasho ukuthi it's only through sex, maybe there is another way, but let me say it's through sex. Because every time when you hear the Bible say he knew ngoba iBhayibheli alisho ukuthi they had sex, maybe amanye versions they do that, but the NIV that I mostly use, or King James version that I mostly use, I normally find they knew wamazi. So I believe ukuthi, so the devil sat down and thought, okay, since I'm opposing God and I cannot defeat God, I tried some angels to worship me, and I was chased out of heaven. So whatever God says, whatever God said, I'll come against it. Aphendukezela ama-verses. That's the way I'm discovering. When you ngiyakubona impela ukuthi okay, God said this, and he makes sure the devil is very close to what God said. Yeah. Okay, so le ndaba ke yocansi kusho ukuthi wabona ukuthi the creation of things is through sex. So because he is corrupt, he will use sex to corrupt human beings. Because the way okwenzeka ngakhona indaba yocansi is very painful. Yeah. Okay, so with my story, I had a problem yokuthi I dream having sex with people that I don't know. So that thing yangihlupha because kwase kuyilapho ke sengiqala ukutadisha izinto ukuthi why ngiphupha kanjalo, and sengiqala nokutadisha indaba yamaphupho ukuthi iyini, what is a dream. Sengiqala ukuzwa nanendaba yokuthi God also communicates through dreams. And I also remembered when I was in grade 5, I had a dream that I would say God was communicating with me, or was calling me, was choosing me. That very same year, that's when grade 5, I was 10 years. That's when I started being sexually active. Ngibakade ngisho ukuthi the devil twist. Sometimes he can twist angithi, even if I don't know how he sees it, but he sees that you had an encounter with God. He sees. I don't know how. I'm still learning things, but when I learn, when I'm exposing, I'll also say it so that I can also help others, since also others are helping out there with those videos. Yeah. So when it troubled me, I exposed one of my videos. I exposed ukuthi ngiphopha ngilala nabantu engabazi, and then it stopped. Hence I'm exposing because lezinto ezinye ziyastopha, ezinye ziba revealed, but ezinye it's just a continuation of war. It just the devil tightens and say, okay, she's now doing this, she now knows this, let me escalate it. So this is how we escalated it. Though I do not engage on sex, but there are people that he sends, like he used to do. There are people that he sends, I will go to them. So the first one, while I was married, is the one. This one, it came through as a case. Yeah, someone was fighting with us, or was fighting especially with my husband, because at the time benganagile nami. Yeah, ukuthi this person is powerful. This person is powerful, so whatever he says is good, and because of his position, so I thought, a position, whatever he says is good, even if session debating swing I was no good to send, because I didn't have a spirit of discernment. I'm not saying I have it now, but I'm saying at that time I didn't have a spirit of discernment. So what I did again, by the time get a case, the devil used him to activate the system that is in me, that the system says I must sleep around, must have sex with whatever, with whoever. Ngithatha kanjalo that system. So yena wathi kumyeni wami, if my husband had started polygamy at on that year, so, and then instead of I don't know ukuthi wacasulwa yini ukuthi umyeni wami uyenza polygamy, because at every time people always think ukuthi polygamy is bad, but it's there in the Bible. But one day I will I don't know, I will teach or I will share about polygamy. So it's there in the Bible. If it's wrong, why then God did? Yes, I know God can use izinto esizenzayo, because God is also a respecter of men. But then, okay, let me not go deep about that polygamy. I'll do it in other videos. Okay, but what I want to say, Iguti, by that time, Lokunjana, so let me just say so send a case wathi, and by that time angazi noma why is this one which is casing me, kodwa ma ekhuluma izwakalisa as if he's protecting me. Nam to me izwakala as a protection. So what he said if your wife also brings another man, what would you say? Yeah, bo. I didn't respond. He didn't respond. But my husband, Mangiti, he didn't respond. I think it was not actually his case. It was my case. I was supposed to rebuke those words. So now it came to pass that when we were working at the trailer, when we were doing our own business, a man came. Before it inkabi. Akusafiki nakimini ukuthi I'm married, nginenkabi yazi wabuza the way nje umuntu wesilisa mayishela ukuthi uzokubuza those questions yabona nasili what yeah akusafiki nakumina ukuthi I'm a married woman. I'm not supposed to have a conversation with a man, and this kind of conversation angiyizwa inhlobo ukuthi le conversation yapi, but ngiyaweza ama feelings ukuthi I'm feeling ukuthi ngiyamthanda, but I have a husband. Lento ayisafiki. So ke it happened ke ukuthi kodwa angigcinanga ngilale naye. Ngamtshela ke loyo bhudi ukuthi no, lento kade sesiqala no ngiyayeka. Hey nangu umuntu waqala ukungijela siqalani. Hey wayijikela kumina ngathi akunani, ngisho ngiinhlizweni ukuthi akunandaba ukuthi noma ngabukeka sengijikela, kodwa the point is whatever we wanted to do, I am no longer interested. I'm no longer interested ukuthi sithandane. Noma ngabe esephikisa ukuthi bekubonakala ukuthi siyathandana, I don't want it. Okay, as I said to you guys, what I'm trying by all means not to make my videos long. Okay, I'll do another video again. I want my videos to be just 10 or 11 minutes long. Yeah, so I'll continue in another video. Indaba le ukuthi how is the devil connecting my past with my present and activating my past with my present. So I'll do that. Bengisaqala ngaye lo bhuti, ngisho ngalo bhuti. So I'll also mention how does the devil connect my past with my present, and how does he wants me to continue with my past in my present life. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye.